right, so we were at 7 pi over 4. We're going to add 3 pi over 4 to that to figure out where our next one is, which will put us at 10 pi over 4, which if we simplified that would be 5 pi over 2. But let's kind of keep it as fourths because I'm going to have to add another 3 pi over 4 to that in a minute. Now, 2 pi as fourths would be 8 pi over 4. 3 pi as fourths would be 12 pi over 4. And then 4 pi would be 16 pi over 4. Right? You just take them, you multiply them by 4. So you don't need to label it this way, but this will help us figure out where like 10 pi over 4 will fall. So if 12 is here, 8 is here, 10 pi over 4 is going to dip right in the middle. So that will be our next point, 10 pi over 4. Now my graph is looking a little chaotic, and that's okay. Now if we were to add 3 pi over 4 to that, 10 pi plus 3 pi would be 13 pi. So we're going to 13 pi over 4 for our next point, which would fall about here. It's going to be our top point. So we'll curve back up, and that is one complete cycle. So that's fine. But if you wanted to keep going, if we add 3 pi to 13, it would be 16. So it'll be back here. So that'll show the down curve, and then it would go like this, and then it would keep going that direction. Back here, it would be dipping back this direction. So we got pretty specific with our graph there. Sometimes it's kind of okay if you can get a little more general, like if you can figure out with just pi, 2 pi, and 3 pi on your graph, and then show the curve, show where the cycle repeats, then you don't necessarily need every individual little label. So we'll keep practicing. These will keep going faster and faster.